For today's tutorial, we have the 9.5 ounce Frappe bottle. If you have purchased your template already, thank you. And if you haven't, you can find them at thecraftprintshop.com. So let's get started. Now that you've purchased your template, and if you haven't, again, you can find it at thecraftprintshop.com, and they will be linked in the description of this video. You're going to select Use Template for New Design. Then you are here. Now it's real simple. Just go to the name. You can double click, type in the name that you want. Now my name is pretty long. If you want to make it longer, you could just fit it in wherever you want it here. And that's it to have it look like the actual bottle. But also, if you want to go in and select and change colors, you can do that too to match whatever theme you have going on. Just select the text or the area that you want to change. See that? Also here, you want to remove this image. You can do that. You can replace it. Let me show you. You can delete that. Go into elements. And we're going to scroll down to frames. Let's take this circle. We're going to bring it in right over the circle we have here. You can make it a little smaller right there. So let's say someone is having graduation season is upon us. Let's go to upload. You could get upload somebody's graduation image. I'm going to use just a template image that I used already right here. This is a graduate. Take the picture, whichever picture you choose, drag and hover over that circle that we put there, and the image goes right in there. You can double click and just widen it if you want to focus like directly on their face. You see the circle? Just put it where you want in the circle, right? So I'll say that, then just click out of that. And there you go. And you could do something like changing the wording here, and you could put class of 2025, something like that. So let's try that and see how we like it. Class of 2025. And there you go, matching the colors. Now that's the white one. Let's click out and get that one. And choose what color or can we put here? That go maybe gray. Look at that. And there you go. You can change it up to match whatever you like. Let me just we'll leave these and I'll print these out and I'll show you how to label it. I prefer sticker paper, make our lives much more easier. So you're going to go to File first on the left side. You're going to double click here and change it to the name that you want it saved in your Canva account. Then press Enter, come out of it. We're going to go over to the right here where it says Share. You're going to go to Download. You're going to select PDF Print. You're going to select Flatten PDF. And then you're going to download. Now that we have our download, we're going to print. I'm using the Epson EcoTank 16600. You honestly can use any printer that you want. Just get a nice quality glossy sticker paper and make sure you choose the settings as glossy so that it matches and it'll print perfectly fine. I'm going to link the paper that I'm using in the description as usual. So I'm going to print. I'm going to go to media. I'm sending it to the rear, and I always choose photo high gloss paper, and it defaults to best for quality, and I'm going to print that out. Okay, so we have our print, and remember, it is the 9.5 ounce bottles that we're making these for. So you have the option to cut with your scissors by hand or using a paper trimmer. And there we have it. Both sticker paper. I always suggest sticker paper. Make your life easy. And this is the size, the 9.5. I'm going to peel off the back. And now if you wanted to add the Starbucks logo, you could do that if you are just making it for yourself. Just find it on Google and just put it on there, but do not sell that. So we're just going to lay it right across and label our drink. And for our graduation one, press down from the middle, then work to the end. That works better. Should have did that the first time. And there you have it. Your custom frappe. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. And as usual, the reminder that you can purchase these templates and more from thecraftprintshop.com.